February 11th. I feel bad for Chuck. I gave up on asking girls to the dance, but he's still trying. So far, he's asked 8 different girls to go to the semi-formal with him, and they've all said no. Well, actually, he only asked 6 girls. The Markowitz twins came up to him in the hallway and said, "We hear you're asking girls to the dance, and we thought you should know if you're thinking of asking either of us. The answer is no." Afterward, I said to him, "That was pretty arrogant of them to just think that you were going to ask them." And he said, "Yeah, but they were the next ones on my list." In study hall, Chuck overheard some girls talking about how they were planning on going as a group, and he suggested to me and Kevin that maybe we should just go as a group too. And I was about to say no, but then I remembered this Friday my mom's book club is coming over to the house. And if I had to choose between a night at a dance with Chuck and Kevin and a night at home surrounded by all my mom's friends, not being allowed to watch TV in the living room, and hearing my mom's friend Bev's weird, crazy laugh over and over again, I'd choose the dance anytime. So I guess we're all going under the sea on Friday. February 12th. Sophie's getting ready for Valentine's Day at her school. She bought cards that have that stupid poem, "Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you." I hate that poem because it's not even true. Violets are violet. Basically, the poem amounts to, "Hi, I'm either an idiot or a liar, and I love you." February 13th. My dad got my mom a box of chocolates as an early Valentine's Day present. She said I could have one, but the one I picked tasted like it was filled with cherry cough syrup. It was disgusting. I think if I ever ran a chocolate company, I wouldn't make my chocolates all fancy looking. They'd just be little cubes with writing on top that said exactly what was inside them. February 14th. The dance is tomorrow night, and I've realized I'm not exactly sure what semi-formal means. At first I thought it meant you could show up just wearing the top half of a tuxedo. But I asked Stacy Ramos, and she tells me it means you have to wear a coat and a tie. "It's a dress code," she said. "They won't let you in without a tie on. No exceptions." And I said, "What if you're a girl?" And she said, "No, only if you're a boy. No exceptions for boys." And I said, "What if there's a fire? Would they let the firefighters in without ties on?" And she said, "Yes, no exception for boys, except firefighters." And I said, "What if you have a really big neck goiter and you can't find a tie that fits around it?" And she said, "I'm leaving now."